Hi everyone, I welcome you all. In today's class, we are going to discuss about syllables. Right? What is a syllable? A syllable is a unit of sound. It can be a vowel, a diphthong, or one or more vowel combined with one or more consonant. Right? What is a syllable? A syllable is a unit of sound. Syllable is a unit of sound. It can be a vowel. It can be a vowel or a diphthong or one or more vowels combined with one or more consonants. Okay, you see, syllable is a single unbroken sound. You see the word. Look at the example. A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken or a written word. Syllables usually contain a vowel. Syllable usually contain a vowel or accompanying consonants. However, the words like book, direct, companion. You see, the words like book, direct, and companion. See, it is a syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken or a written word. Unbroken. ನೋಡಿ you see, ಇಲ್ಲಿ unbroken. Look at the word unbroken. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಬುಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಊ ಬುಕ್. ಊ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವೊವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 26 letters in English. Is commonly called alphabet. Out of 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are called consonant, right? So 21 letters consonants ಇದೆ, 5 letters vowels ಇದೆ. ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ 5 letters vowels ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ vowels ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಬುಕ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಡೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಮ್ ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಿಲಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸಿಲಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೊವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕಂಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ನೋಡಿ, ಬುಕ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಲಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಲಬಲ್, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಬುಕ್, ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಊ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈ ಐ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 2 syllabic ವರ್ಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್. ಕಮ್ ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಲಬಲ್, 1 syllabic ವರ್ಡ್, 1 syllable ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನೋಸಿಲಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಬೈಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ 2 syllabic ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ನ 3 ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರೈಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ 3 syllable ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮಾನೋಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಮಾನೋಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಲಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್: ಆಕ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸ್ಲೀವ್, ಬೇಸ್, ವೈಲ್, ಆಫ್ಟ್, ಕಾಸ್, ಕ್ರೌನ್, ಮೌರ್ನ್, ವರ್ಸ್, ಫಿಯರ್, ಹೆಡ್, sword, tongue, plot, steal, wish, one, school, break, make, see, all, ball, call, bat, bet, sweep, life. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಅನ್ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೌಂಡ್ಗಳು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಡೈಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೈಸಿಲಬಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 syllable ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದಗಳು, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೆನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್, ಸೆನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್. ಸೊ ವಯೋಲೆಂಟ್, 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 ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಬಿಸೈಡ್, ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್. ಸೊ women, women, right? Critic, critic. Instead, instead, 2 word, you see, 2 sounds, right? Instead. Delay, delay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 2 sounds ಇದೆ. Again, see, again, again ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದಾಗ again, ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 1 ಸೌಂಡ್. ಏನ್, ಏ ಟಿಪ್ಟಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅಗೈನ್. ಸೊ ಎಜುಕೇಟ್, ಎಜುಕೇಟ್, right? two syllabic word. Program, right? Senate, senate, defeat, right? Dormant, outbreak, moral, coward. So ending, careful, devil, diamond, suspect, right? Deepest, purpose, silly. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಐನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಓವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇವಿಲ್, ಮ್ಯಾರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಐ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಮ್ಯಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೇರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೇರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾರಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಮೇರಿ, ಸೊ ಮೇರಿ. ಫಾದರ್, ಯು ಸಿ, ಫಾದರ್. ಮಂಡೇ, ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್. ಟೇಬಲ್, awake, right? These are all called two syllables or two syllabic words. Trisyllabic words, I mean 3 syllables. You see, beautiful, not beautiful, right? Syllable. Trisyllabic words. Tomorrow, right? Popular. Intention, mutiny. So legacy, says beloved, right? Memory, unkindly, so 3 syllabic word. Fortunate, countrymen, right? Benefit, consider, element, right? Tradition, implicit, permission, right? So experiment, okay? Experiment, okay? Effective, injustice. These are all 3 syllables words or trisyllabic words. So polysyllabic words, means more than 3 syllables, okay? More than 3 syllables, right? Intelligent, 1 2 3 4 syllabic word, okay? Intelligent, right? You see, initiative, 1 2 3 4 5 syllabic word, okay? Right, okay? Personification, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Personification. So fundamentally, fundamentally, 1 2 3 4 5, okay? 5 syllabic word. Syllabification, 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, polysyllabic means more than 3 syllables are called polysyllabic words. We can divide the word based on the syllables, okay? Have you got it? Okay, are you ready? Let us continue, and we are going to know more about syllables, okay? Pick out the word which has only 1 syllable. So here is an example. So there are 4 words here. So pick out the word which has only 1 syllable or 1 syllabic word or monosyllabic word, okay? Table, honest, graph, device, okay? Table, see, table, 2 syllabic word or disyllabic word. Honest, right? Honest, 2 syllabic word. Graph, you see, graph, single syllable, you see, monosyllabic. Device, so device, The right answer is graph. Okay, graph. The next example. Devil, father, Mary, call. Right? Devil. You see? Devil. Devil. Disyllabic. Father. Right? Mary. These three are disyllabic words. So call. The right answer is call. Single syllable or monosyllabic word. Right? Able, ego, country, plot. Able, disyllabic. Ego, disyllabic. Country, disyllabic. Plot, single syllable or monosyllabic. So answer is plot. Right. Benefit, diamond, careful, sweep. Okay. Benefit, three syllabic word, right? Or trisyllabic word. Diamond, two syllabic word. Careful, two syllable word, right? Sweep, single syllable. So answer is sweep. Head, ending, Monday, mother, right? Head, ending, Monday, mother. You see, mother, disyllabic. Monday, disyllabic. Ending, disyllabic. Head, single syllable. Answer, right answer is head. Okay, right. April, ball, moral, direct. April, disyllabic. Ball, single syllable. Moral, disyllabic. Direct, disyllabic. Right word is ball. Right? Burglar, burglar, bench, confuse, radio, radio. So burglar, disyllabic, bench, single syllable word, right? Confuse, disyllabic, radio, right? Disyllabic word. So again, the right word is bench. Paper, police, bank, photo. The right answer is, right word is bank. Friend, return, couple, beside. Friend, return, couple, beside. You see, friend. So one syllable word. Okay. Return, two. Couple, two. Beside, two. So right word is friend. Next one. Reason, protest, final, large. Right? Reason, disyllabic. Protest, disyllabic. Final, disyllabic. The right word is large. Okay. Next we see. Look at the next examples. Okay. Let us. Right. Pick out the word which has two syllables. Okay. Pick out the word which has two syllables. Let's see. 8, cloud, tomorrow, printer. Okay. So see, pick out the word which has two syllables. 8 syllables. 8 monosyllabic, cloud monosyllabic, tomorrow trisyllabic, printer, right? Printer, two syllable word, right? Or disyllabic word. The right word is printer. So two syllable. You see? So tomorrow, three syllable. Tomorrow, right? Right. The right word is printer. Attitude, table, temperature, friend. Okay. So attitude, three syllabic word. Table, two syllabic. Temperature, so polysyllabic, right? Friend, monosyllabic. I mean single syllable. The right word is table, two syllabic word. Okay. So primary, idea, probable, school. You see, primary. So primary, trisyllabic word, idea. So disyllabic, probable, trisyllabic, school, monosyllabic, one syllable. So right word is idea. Right. Affection, friend, ego, phone. You see, ego is the right answer. Affection, trisyllabic word, friend, monosyllabic, phone, monosyllabic. So right word is ego. Right. Topper, skill, pure, school. So topper, pure, skills are monosyllabic. Sorry, topper, skill, pure, school. Skill, pure, school are monosyllabic. Topper is disyllabic. So right word is topper. Bank, today, school, phone. You see, bank, school, phone are monosyllabic or a single syllable. So bisyllabic word is two syllabic word is today. Today. Okay, right. Bench, please, photograph. Okay. Bench, please, graph are single syllables. Right. Right word is photo. Right. Cook, taught, money, laugh. Right? Cook, single syllable. Taught, single. So, money, right? Laugh. So, laugh, taught, cook are single syllables. So, money, double syllable or disyllabic or bisyllabic or two syllabic word. The right word is money. Okay. Mount, cause, orchard, board. Right? Mount, single syllable word. Cause and board are single syllable word. Orchard is a disyllabic word. So right word is orchard. Right. Pupil, pupil, flow, class, pass. Pause, class, flow are single syllables. So pupil, so disyllabic word. The right word is pupil. Right. Liver, chair, board, pinch. So chair, board, pinch are monosyllabic words or single syllable word or single syllables. The lever is the right word, right? Okay. Curd, outer, grind, church. Curd, outer, grind, church. Right. Curd, grind, church are single syllable word or monosyllabic words, and the outer is the right word. Okay. Relation. Okay. Relation, accident, talent, adventure. Relation. Right? Trisyllabic word. Accident, trisyllabic word. Adventure, trisyllabic word. Right word is talent. Okay. Right. Next one. Laugh, large, wisdom, dream. Right? Laugh, large, wisdom, dream. You see, laugh, large, dream are single syllabic words, single syllable words. The wisdom, right? Wisdom is the right word. Okay. Right. Moon, grand, English, continent. Right? Moon, grand, English, continent. Moon, single syllabic word or monosyllabic. Grand also monosyllabic. Continent, trisyllabic. Continent. English, 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 disyllabic word. Okay. The right word is English. Right? Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching, keep learning, and thank you.